Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making chocolate apples. I have put my dark chocolate into a glass bowl. I'm going to microwave my chocolate for about 2 minutes. You don't want it to go too runny and you don't want it to go too thick. I'm now going to mix any bits that haven't melted. I'm now going to leave it to one side for 5 minutes. While I wait for my chocolate to cool, I have washed and taken the stalk out of 2 apples. I'm then going to take 2 skewers and place them into the base of my apple. And I have covered a plate with grease-proof paper. Now my chocolate is at room temperature, I'm going to coat my apples in the chocolate. If your chocolate is not thick enough, you can either add corn flour or you can place it back in the fridge until it thickens just enough. I'm now going to take my apple and lean the bowl to one side. And I'm going to dip my apple in the chocolate and slowly but carefully roll my apple in the chocolate. I'm now going to place it on a baking tray and leave it to set. I also have these Halloween sprinkles that I'm going to sprinkle on top of my chocolate. And then I'm going to place them in the fridge to set. If you don't like apples, I'm also going to use orange segments. You can decorate your apples however you like. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.